How to fix webcam not working problem on Zoom. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to fix webcam not working problem on Zoom. So first is you have to open your Zoom application. As you can see here, I've already set it up. Now, if you are already given a link and you just have to click on join to the meeting or create a new meeting. So let's say for today, I'm just gonna create a new meeting. So here, as you can see, my camera is actually functioning or working. On the lower left, you will see the stop video. So you could actually turn on and turn off your camera. Now, if your camera is not working, you could actually manipulate the settings for that video. So beside that, you will see an arrow. You click on that arrow and then you have to select the camera. So I have three options here. I have the snap camera, I have the A4 camera, the OBS virtual camera, and for example, you've connected a lot of cameras, so the computer might have the confusion, or the Zoom has a confusion on what to use, and maybe that camera is not functioning. So I highly recommend you to disconnect all the cameras except for the one that you're gonna use. If it's not still working, you could go to video settings, and here you could actually see a preview on your camera. Now here you will see the camera, under it all the options that you could use. So let's say that I'm going to use the OBS virtual camera. As you can see, it won't project my camera. So if you set it up on the camera that is working, for example this one, as you can see it's working, then you have actually fixed your webcam. Now, if it's still not working, maybe there is a problem to your camera. And if it's still not working, you could actually go to camera, your own camera on your PC here. This one. If it's working here and not working here, then you might want to restart your computer. If it's all good, then basically that is it. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.